Hello, my dear friends. Do you know where we are? We are in Tokyo. Yes, you guessed it right. We have come to watch the Olympic Games. And this year, the Olympic Games are held in Tokyo. And hence it's known as Tokyo 2021 Olympiad. And here there are a lot of athletes who participate from all over the countries. There are different types of games that are happening here. And today we are going to narrate to you a story of a girl who had big ambitions, who wanted to become a gymnast. So let's see what happened in the story. And the name of the story is Little Girl, Big Dream, the story of Olympian Samantha Peshek. And here we meet the little Samantha Peshek who loved gymnastics. More than toys, even more than ice cream, and that's saying something. She really admired and loved gymnastics. When she was just 5 years old, she watched the Olympics for the first time with her mom and dad. Of course, her favorite part was the gymnastics competition. She loved the way the athletes move on the floor, the vault, the uneven bars, and the balance beam. It was right then and there that Samantha had a dream, a big dream. I am going to be an Olympian, she shouted. Her mom and dad said, Dream big, Samantha. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to. And there she was. Samantha thought, to be an Olympian, I must be the very best gymnast out there. So Samantha practiced and dreamed and practiced and dreamed and practiced and dreamed some more. And look at that! She even had her mom help her hang the word dream up in her room, so she would never forget her big plan to be the very best. In her room, she would close her eyes and pretend to compete in front of the world, just like the Olympians on TV. Wow, that was a great ambition. She told everyone she met about this dream. I am going to be an Olympic gymnast. She told her teacher, her neighbor, kids at the park, her coaches, and the grocer too. And that means I have to be the best. She would let them all know that. Yes, the more Samantha practiced, the better she got. She soon found she was great at all the events, except for one, the balance beam. Ooh, she would climb onto the beam, put her arms in the air, take a deep breath, bend her knees to jump, and then nothing. For some reasons, she was too afraid to do it. This made Samantha very upset. I couldn't do it. Mom, I have to be the best, or else I won't be able to go to the Olympics. Samantha's mom looked at her and said, You have to have the bad days to appreciate the good days. Dream big, Samantha. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to, said her mother. Dream. She remembered that when she went to bed at night, staring at the word dream on her wall, I can accomplish anything. I won't give up no matter what, thought Samantha. That meant it was time to keep trying at that scary balance beam. And with the help of her new coach, Peter, she finally overcame her fears. With Peter's coaching and her parents' love, Samantha felt unbeatable. Next up, nationals, said Samantha. Or so she thought. When it was time to compete for her big chance, Samantha made a couple of mistakes. She didn't make the team and became an alternate. Oh. Samantha was very upset again. She felt really low. Two little mistakes made her feel like one big failure. I'm so mad I didn't win. She mumbled on her drive home that day. She was so angry. Her parents looked at her and said, "We don't love you because you win. We love you because we love you. Dream big, Samantha," said her mother. "You can accomplish anything you set your mind to." Samantha kept practicing and dreaming and practicing and dreaming and practicing some more. Finally, the day came. The day she had dreamed about since she was 5 years old. She made the Olympic team. Yay! Finally! She was all set to compete and be the very best when something terrible happened. While practicing right before the competition, Samantha hurt her ankle. Samantha was very upset. And then she remembered her mom and dad's words. I have to have the bad days to appreciate the good days. I'm not loved because I win. I'm loved because I am me, thought Samantha. Yay! Maybe being the very best doesn't always mean winning the gold medal after all, Samantha thought. Maybe being the very best me today means supporting my team. Yes, absolutely. Samantha cheered on her teammates during their floor routine. She cheered them on during all of their routines. Dream big, she told them. She was so happy. You can accomplish anything you set your mind to, she said loudly. And they did it! Yes! Even with her hurt ankle, she was able to compete in the uneven bars, and it was her best routine ever. Wow! She stood on the Olympic podium and was awarded a silver medal. Isn't that great? Lovely! She watched as everyone cheered for her and for her team. Woo-hoo! Lovely! Wasn't that? Today, Samantha coaches kids just like you and reminds them to keep dreaming, keep practicing, and keep supporting each other, no matter what. So, dear children, do you have a dream like Samantha? I'm sure you do, yes? So, we hope you enjoyed the story of Samantha Peshek. What did we learn? That you should always dream big and you can accomplish anything that you set your mind to. Never give up and don't forget to always support your team. We would love to know what is your big dream. Until then, bye bye and see you soon.